It is February. We are still painting, and you know what we've decided? We've decided to make ourselves some get up and go juice, and by that I mean we're putting a cyclone in the blender with a Maduri and some extra vodka.
Fuck you, right? You don't talk out the glass.
I was just trying to be involved. Okay, this is what we're up to at the moment, and we've got oh, you can't see them, they're at the bottom, but we did have these funky ice trays and we made like stars and Santa boots and stuff, which is cool, but now they're just like ice bits. We've got 2 bottles of Maduri Illusion, which is the one that just has pineapple and vodka, and then we've also got a Cyclone in there, like I said before, and Jess has gone to see if there is more vodka. I walked away for like 30 seconds. You know how I showed you it was green before? What happened?
Oh, look, lost it, mate. That's cold.
Cup in frame, please. Oh no, what happened to you is going to happen to me. Oh. Oh. Okay. Oh. Ah, it's cold. Yeah. Look, you can take it. This is how they've ended up. What do you think, Mo?
Nice. It tastes like paddle pop with alcohol in it.
Paddle pop?
Sorry, cyclone.
Cyclone.
Paddle pop.
Cyclone. Morning. It is the 7th of February. It's a Sunday and we're going to a car show today. Just for fun. We're taking the little man. Here he is. But I just want to tell you, it is fucking freezing. It is so cold and it is gonna rain. It's on the forecast. So I am in my like winter get up. I'm even gonna put these on. I've got my Uggies on, but I'm gonna put these on. These are like hiking boots. Or they were like for the snow and stuff, and I bought them when I was in the UK, specifically for walking around and not being cold because it's so freaking cold over there in the winter. And I'm gonna wear them today in February in the summer in Australia. We got some gelato, or gelati, what would you call it?
Gelato.
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 Puppy. Oh, baby bear. What are you doing?
Eating.
What are you eating?
Super duper.
What are we doing today?
Going to take photos
What for?
for my school.
You sound so excited.
For my media studies.
Because you're a cool kid. Do you want to show them the picture? Drake, what are you doing? Hey. Oh, buddy. He's like, I don't like you kicking me. What are we doing this?
We're at the farm.
Stay tuned for an after shot. Hey guys, it is the 13th. That's what the date is. That's the 13th of February today, 2021. And as of midnight last night, we have gone back into stage 4 restrictions, lockdown in Victoria, which essentially means that you have 4 reasons that you can leave the house, which is 1, shopping for necessities, 2, caregiving, 3, exercise for 2 hours a day, and 4, work if it's necessary. If you can work from home, then you have to, and you can also only go 5 kilometers from your home. You can't have any public gatherings. All of, gyms, swimming pools, restaurants, everything is closed if it's not a necessity, so it's a supermarket or a medical facility. So everyone's at home, and I thought I'd just show you guys how my garden is going in February. So this is my strawberry plant. Strawberries are about to go out of season, so it might not grow any fruit, but it's going okay. We have an enormous Xanadu here, which I am trying to figure out how to tame and repot. As you'll remember, over there, it's not going well. A very exciting one. I have wine grapes growing in my garden. Look at this. It's incredible. There are so many, and if I stand here, it goes all the way up this tree. And just for some reference, this tree is so big. Got some of my favorite roses going very nicely out here. And some of these, I think this is a type of jasmine. My apple trees are in full swing at the moment. These have just popped up out of nowhere from this. I thought this was dying. I was really concerned. I thought it was gonna just die. And then these flowers popped up. Got one of the nectarine trees here. And another one of the apple trees. These are super cool because they're a crossbreed, half Pink Lady, half Granny Smith. So they're literally half green, half red. How cool is that? Got another variation of these half breeds. So you can see the difference here between the two. And I've also got these different nectarines, different breed of nectarines, going absolutely wild. Here is a few things I've got in my front garden. These gorgeous yellow roses. And these pink and white ones. My lemon lime tree. We've got a lot of hybrid stuff in here. One of my absolute favorites, I'll never get rid of this one. These beautiful orange pink ones. I've got just pink ones, and I've got some white ones which are not doing as well at the moment. Some more pink ones, slightly different. And of course, we've got some classic red ones. It's lockdown 3.2.1.3, I don't know. It's lockdown again. We're doing a little bit of experimenting today. So here I am in the kitchen, as you can see, and I have my lion heart on.
Ooh.
There it is. I'm gonna use the app called Polar Beat, and we're gonna see just how hard it is to take all these cabinets off and paint a kitchen. Good job, Boo. Good morning! It is the middle of February, and as you can see, you might notice behind me some changes. Don't worry, there's a video coming. But I am just making myself some breakfast in what looks like a war zone, just because that's how we live now. We have been painting the entire kitchen. Hang on, let me just we have been painting the entire kitchen, all the cabinets, everything, and we don't even have any door handles. I don't know if you can see. So I've been opening everything with my feet. Just popped my toast on and I'm about to go and film a super cool video for Bow & Tea, a review of their activewear, which I'm wearing right now. Oh, there it is, Bow & Tea. And it's gonna be great. The video will be up soon, or if it's not up already, I don't know if this will come first or that one, but it's gonna be great. You're gonna love it. I'm in love with it, so go and find out. I'm also going to try some new teas today, so I have these two. I just got them at the local supermarket. One is the brand Puka. I'm not really sure about that. Wonderberry Green Organic and Red Seal Raspberry and Strawberry Hot or Cold Brew. So I like cold iced tea, sometimes hot, but like cold is my jam. So I'm going to give both of those a whirl to see if I like them, because I like the T2 pumping pomegranate. That's one of my faves. So I'm trying to branch out and get something a little bit cheaper. So we'll see how these ones go. Also, this is one of the pieces from the Bow & Tea collection that I just made a video about. It is 8 p.m. and we are leaving the house for the first time all day because we spent the entire day in bed watching movies and TV shows instead of doing anything at all, because that's all we decided our Sunday was good for. So now we're hungry and in the mood for some bevies, so we're going to Taco Bell for to pick up our order and we got takeaway margaritas. Woo woo!
What?
Howdy.
Let's get fucking rowdy.
Oh, the sunset.
It's not even fucking sunset.
Margaritas. We got Fandango Mango, Supercharged Strawberry, Sunrise, and a Fruit Tingle. And I'm so excited. I love cocktails. Woohoo! Jig. Juke, Jukey, look. Try this one. You ready? Shut your eyes, please. Hands out. Okay.
Oh, so cute.
Ready?
You're totally gonna get it. And then I'm gonna cry because I'm gonna have no one here to love me anymore.
I'll still love you.
Nah.
Smash it.
Smash it. Uteruses before deuteruses. Okay. Smash.
Go. Keep smashing. Like a
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh. People are gonna think I'm stabbing someone.
What's in there?
This is so cute.
Look at this. Look.
Are they licorice ones?
Yes.
Yeah. Good. Wait.
Welcome back. It is still February, only for a couple more days, and I'm in Spotlight. I've been to Bunnings. I'm looking for sheer curtains with a rod pocket top that aren't ugly as buggery, so wish me luck. Hi guys, as you saw, I was just in Spotlight. Hey. Now I'm home. I did find some curtains. These are them. They're just sheer curtains to go in the front window so we have a bit more privacy. I did also come across these cute little European pillowcases. They're just like orange, white and black. And I got the two of them. They were $4 each, so that's fabulous because normally they're like $30 each, which is ridiculous for a pillowcase. And then I just bought this little throw rug, throw blanket, throw. I'm gonna call it a throw. It's red and white and it's got a tassel on the bottom and it's super soft and I just love it. I think it's super cute. I am just in the process of rolling up this ribbon. It came with my new hoodie. There is an hoodie haul and review coming shortly, but I keep all my ribbon and I use them again for presents and stuff, so I'm just gonna roll it and put it in my craft box. Out for a nice little walk with the baby. Got new shoes.
Oh god.
Today we are at Ikea. Are you excited?
No. Window go na.
Go. Haha! Incredible! For your shoes! I love it! All the greenery. Alright, we've just come out and it is getting dark. What's the time, babe?
I don't know.
I think it's late.
8:20.
It's 8:20. Oh my god, we've been in there for literally like 3 hours. This is our shopping trolley. Mini haul for you. I got these plant balls. They're plant-based meatballs and I tell you what, they're fucking fabulous. And some, they're called veggie hot dogs and they're also pretty good. Yeah. These cute cushions. Oop, oop. New pillows for our bed. Pillow protectors. Salad bowls. And this strawberry candle's my favorite one. Yep. A bigger salad bowl. Mini tongs and some heat pads. Adorable teddy bear for Duke and a bath mat. We stopped in at, how do you say it? Can you say it?
Let me read it on what I say. Gasman Gomez.
For some Mexican food and oh my god, I'm so excited. We have our Mexican style drinks.
Looking back, she just like, ooh, but it's not that bad. You know